Hey, I'm Johnny Fitzgerald, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can immediately make an impact on your breakdowns using free post-production samples. If you want to follow along with me in this video, make sure you go over to modernmetalsongwriter.com and scroll down and download our free sample packs. Now, how I achieved this and went about setting this up with our free post-production pack was I downloaded it, I opened it up, and you can see that it's categorized into 3 different sections. So I went into each section, sub drops, snare bombs, and impacts, and picked out one sample that I felt like fit the song. And I dragged and dropped into my session. Also, whenever you're importing the samples in, make sure that the transients of the samples line up with the impact of your breakdown. So I put them right here. And that's pretty much it, except for this short snare bomb, I did a reverse and then I faded it into the other snare bomb to make a little bit more emphasis on the impact. And then I blended it in. Now I do have it a little bit more emphasized than you usually do, just so you can hear it through your iPhone speaker or whatever listening device you're watching this video on. And that's pretty much it. So let's hear a before and after. If you liked this video, like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching and happy songwriting.